Looks like they're actually moving off a bit. Food almost finished. Ah, awesome. First time I've seen these guys. This is the Hunkuhuma pride. And they've grown rapidly in the last few months with the addition of all these cubs.
Move back a bit.
Yeah, I'm just going to look at... I think let's go back to... There's another gap there. Try and show you more of them just now. I just want to see where the best gap here. So the way they've killed it, or where they've killed it, is right in a drainage dip, or a very small, narrow riverbed, if you want to call it that. Rob, we might just need a window through here for the camera. How does that look?
Yeah, that's
Is that workable, eh?
workable.
Okay, there. As you can see there, it's mostly just rib bones that are left. Not much food left on the carcass itself, so that means they probably will leave this alone by tonight. By tomorrow they'll move off again, or by tomorrow they'll be gone, move off by tonight. Difficult to see. I can see even less than you guys can see. There looks like another one coming back down to the carcass. It's behind there, one of the cubs coming out. There's just 3 adults and 2 mampimas still by the carcass. You can see a few more on the northern side of the drainage line. Again, you can see the size of the buffalo as well. Just look at those ribs in front of that female, comparing it to the size of her head. Keep in mind the lioness's head is about the size of a sort of a crash helmet that you wear for motorbike riding. So in comparison, you can get an idea of how thick that rib cage is. Very, very strong animal that killed a big adult buffalo bull, which means for even a pride this size, it's quite a lot of food. Those white rows that you can see, they're actually the buffalo's teeth. Or what was a buffalo, now just his teeth. Lions have got very specific parts or specific ways they tend to go at feeding on a carcass. Very often some of the first things they eat are around the facial area, the eyes, cheek muscles, and then obviously the more meaty big sections, the rump area and so forth. But now they're just down to the last sort of morsels and scraps. Rob, I think I want to try just see one or two other positions, just see if we can't see a bit better. This is actually there's actually two little cubs just to the left of that female we were looking at. It's very, very hard to see them. Just doable, but still doesn't give us much better view. Right, try to reverse in there. Check behind a bit to try and get the antenna pushed in there.
Let's get up.
Okay. That's cool. What's this? How's it going? Rob, look through there quickly, just while he's there. See the big male in the back. How's it? Good, man. You guys be able to get a look through there? You push your nose right in there, there's a gap. Very tricky spot. Typical male deciding to hide behind a bush. It's another vehicle that's joined us here. They have the same problem as we do. Difficult to see in there.
Yeah, not really.
Any suggestions, Bill?
I would say move.
Let's just see. Forward, back?
Forward.
Okay. There's a small gap underneath through there. I don't think the camera can shoot through there.
Yeah, I see that.
Forward, back? I can't see her, so you've got to talk to me, Rob.
Okay, this is good for the bottom.
Is that good? Next to the tree trunk. See the gap through to her, the one that will come see up there?
Yeah, I see that, but you can only get her face.
Okay, the little
And
one
then
next to her?
the branches are a bit too fine. You can't get the cover at all.
Guys, we're going to sit a little bit, wait for the lions to move, hopefully we'll get a better gap then.